Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking claypot drunken chicken. So let's start cooking. Heat up a clay pot, pour in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Spread the oil around the clay pot. I have with me over here 500 grams of chicken thigh meat. I have not marinated the chicken. It's fine for this dish, no problem at all. Put it in. Fire setting will be at medium or medium low. It's fine, no problem. We need to brown the chicken a little. It might stick to the pot, no worries. We'll be adding in Chinese wine later to deglaze it. Let's try to brown them on all sides if possible. Now if you want this dish to be healthier, you can actually take out the skin of the chicken. But I think the chicken skin actually adds another dimension of flavor to this dish, so I'm leaving it on. You see I've extracted quite a fair bit of chicken oil out. Now is the time to add in our ginger. I have with me over here around 10 grams of ginger slice. Just spread them out. If you're wondering why we did not pan fry the ginger first just now, it's fine, no problem, because we're going to do a little braising on the chicken. So it's pretty alright this way. We will now add in 5 cloves of garlic, sliced or so. Just fry them up for a while. Now we'll add in 3 red dates pitted and cut into halves. The red dates that I put in are actually dried. I'm also adding in about 4 or 5 pieces of Angelica roots. Now we'll add in 2 cups of Chinese rice wine. We'll now deglaze this a little bit. We'll now put the lid on and let this cook for 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Right. Now we'll add in 1 cup of Chinese cooking wine or Shaoxing Huatiao. You can use Huangjiu. These are actually made from glutinous rice. Mix them up a little bit and let them come to a boil again. Maintain the heat at medium. We don't have to put the lid on now. When it is boiling now, we'll add in our seasoning. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, as well as 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Stir them in. We'll need to balance the taste up. I'll be adding in half a teaspoon of sugar. We'll just boil this for another 5 minutes. You don't have to put the lid on, it's fine, no problem. 5 minutes is up. Let's just have a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. The fragrance from the wine is fantastic. Make sure you use low sodium soy sauce for this, as well as, if possible, try to look for the non-sodium type of Shaoxing Huatiao. Now for the final touch, we'll add in about 10 to 15 pieces of wolfberries and 2 stalks of spring onion. Now remember, if you are using a whole chicken with bones in, you might have to cook this slightly longer, but I'm just using chicken thigh so that it will cook faster actually. So okay, we'll serve this now. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Chicken first. It has this very beautiful aromatic Chinese wine taste to it. Fantastic. Let's try the sauce with the rice. Oh. One word of advice. If you eat this, don't drive. The jiu xiang or the fragrance from the wine, this is really beautiful with rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.